In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Cyberghost VPN on Linux. So, let's dive right in and explore each step thoroughly to ensure you're set up with ease. First, you need to visit the Cyberghost VPN website. Open your web browser, head over to the address bar, and type in the official Cyberghost VPN URL. Once you're on their homepage, take a moment to glance around and familiarize yourself with their offerings. This is the portal into your secure browsing experience. Now, focus your attention on the top navigation menu where you'll find the option labeled My Account. Click on it. You'll be directed to the Account section where all things personal and account-related reside. From this space, you have the power to manage your subscription, profile settings, and download applications. It's your personal control panel. Next, you'll want to click the Login button. Now, this requires you to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy, and type them carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the Cyberghost VPN home, a space providing all the necessary links to navigate through your VPN services. The next stop on our journey is the Download Hub for Cyberghost VPN. From the Account Control panel, look for the option that says Download Hub and make your way there. The Download Hub is a crucial component, as it contains all available applications ready for download, and it's tailored specifically for different devices and systems. As we prepare to install the VPN on your Linux machine, you'll need to focus on desktop applications. There will be several options available, but your attention needs to be on the section labeled Desktop Apps. Click on it to continue. This section is specifically geared towards desktop users, ensuring each application fits the unique requirements of different desktop operating systems. Once inside the Desktop Apps section, seek out the Linux Download option. This is where the magic happens for all you Linux users out there. Click on Linux to proceed. Linux distributions require a compatible setup file to function seamlessly with your unique environment. And this is exactly where you will find it. The final part of this process is to click on Configure. By selecting this, you're not just downloading the application, but also moving into the realm of configuring your VPN to match your browsing preferences. The configuration will allow you to fine-tune settings to enhance your security and privacy further. So, there you have it, the uncomplicated route to getting Cyberghost VPN up and running on your Linux platform. Each and every step we took today plays a vital role in ensuring that your browsing experience is not only secure, but also private. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide empowers you to browse more freely and securely. Happy browsing!